This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in F123. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select the F1 World option. From there, you will find various online modes to choose from. Ensure your PlayStation 4 console is connected to the internet and you have an active PlayStation Plus subscription to access all online features. This is your first step to competitive racing. F123 offers several exciting online modes. You can jump into ranked races to test your skills against others and climb the leaderboards, or choose unranked for a more casual experience. For private sessions, create a custom lobby and invite up to 21 other players. Don't forget to check out the F1 World section for new weekly challenges and special events. Racing with friends is straightforward. Once in a multiplayer lobby, you can easily invite friends directly from your PlayStation friends list. They will receive an invitation and can join your session with just a few clicks. You can also join a friend's ongoing race if there's an open slot. Utilize the in-game voice chat or your PlayStation party chat to coordinate strategies and have fun together. For the best multiplayer experience, a stable internet connection is crucial to avoid lag. Before heading online, consider practicing in single-player modes like Grand Prix or Time Trial to master tracks and car handling. This will give you a significant advantage. Remember to race cleanly and respect other drivers. Good sportsmanship makes the game more enjoyable for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.